Brenda of Century 21 Alliance and Bob Meyer Communities. We're here today at Orchard View at Mullica Hill to give you a construction update on the new active adult community by Bob Meyer.
We've started the first roads into the community off of Woodland Avenue, and we've begun construction on our 2 model homes.
Our first model home, the Belford, is already framed, windows are in, roof is on, and mechanicals are started.
It won't be long till we can tour you through this beautiful home, which features over 1,500 square feet of main level living. Our Belford model will have an optional farmhouse exterior, extended front porch, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a study, extended gathering room, designer kitchen, and optional sunroom, all on the main level.
On the second level, we'll be adding the 3rd bedroom, the 3rd bath, the storage, and the loft with 550 square feet added to this beautiful home.
And across the way, overlooking the future pond, will be our Harrison model, which features over 2,000 square feet of main level living space. Our Harrison will be a cottage exterior, and it will offer a study, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, extended gathering room, gourmet kitchen, dining room, and will feature an optional sunroom and covered rear patio, all on the main level.
On the second level, we'll be adding the 3rd bedroom, the 3rd bath, the loft, and the storage with 800 square feet added to this amazing home.
Our project manager, Brian Meyer, informs us that we are on target for a spring 2023 delivery and grand opening of the model homes.
Right now, we're scheduling appointments with prospective home buyers to review the floor plans and the community layout. If you're interested in scheduling an appointment, be sure to contact goldengirlsnj@gmail.com.
We can't wait to introduce you to Orchard View at Mullica Hill.
Stay safe and stay golden. Bye-bye.